In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import multiple photos in GIMP the easy way, using just a few simple clicks. This is a super useful trick if you want to build overlays, create collages, make GIF frames, or combine images into a single composite. Instead of opening each photo one at a time, GIMP lets you bring them in as separate layers, which gives you much more control over your project from the start. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open GIMP on your computer. Once GIMP is open, go up to the top menu and click File. From the drop-down menu, choose Open as Layers. This is the key option that allows you to import several photos into one project at the same time. When the file browser appears, navigate to the folder where your images are stored. Now select multiple images by holding down Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac and clicking each photo you want to import. You can also select a range of images if they're listed together. Once your images are selected, take a quick moment to make sure you've chosen the right files. After that, click Open. GIMP will now load each image into your project, and each one will appear as a separate layer in the Layers panel. That's really important because separate layers give you flexibility. You can move, resize, hide, blend, or edit each image individually without affecting the others. This is what makes the process so useful for overlays, where you place one image on top of another. It's also great for collages, where you want several photos arranged together in one design. And if you're working on GIFs or composites, having every photo as its own layer makes the workflow much easier and much cleaner. Once the images are imported, you can click through the layers to see how they're stacked. If needed, you can drag layers up or down to change their order. You can also use the Move tool to position photos exactly where you want them on the canvas. From there, you can keep editing, adding effects, or exporting the final result when you're finished. So to recap, the process is simple. Go to File, choose Open as Layers, select multiple images, and click Open. In just a few seconds, your photos will be loaded into GIMP as separate layers, ready for editing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick GIMP tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.